Hi guys, 2011 Kluger coolant change, a coolant replacement. So I'll also open this one and also remove the cores, the engine cores, all the engine cores, so it will be easy. And here is a tape. Here is a white tape here, so you will put like a pipe like this, and you will open the tape. The tape is, when you open the core, it's here. You will see the tape. You see that white tape. It's white tape. You see the white tape, drain tape for the coolant. Yeah. So it will be. You see the coolant is already like not clear, so it should be changed like every 3 years, every 100,000 kilometer. The engine is hard, but so still I'm waiting for this. And after this, I'll open this valve, this air valve for the engine, so all the coolant will go out and there will be no air trap. I use the ramps to lift up and remove these all cars. Okay, I'll be using super long life Toyota coolant. This is 5 liter and this is 2 liter, because out of this altogether 6 liter will come out or 5 liter will come out, because it's refill, drain and refill, it's not the flush, and half of the coolant remain in the car engine. That's why we should buy 5 liter and 2 liter. So I think just 5 liter will be enough, but in case, that's why we bought 2 liter more. Let's see. Yes, it should be pink. Yeah, don't forget also to open this. You see this one with this key. See this key. Okay, it was the clean oil pan I used for the coolant. So the coolant was also like, it was this color, but it was the oil pan, so it was dirty oil pan. So because it has no measurement in this oil pan, and this oil pan has measurement, so I have to put it in this to measure it how much the coolant came out. So it's, you see, it's 6 liter. See, one is 7, then 6, so it's 6 liter. So 6 liter coolant came out. So all the guys who make YouTube videos like this Kluger 2011 or from 2007 to 2013, fill and drain, they just take 6 liters, so they are correct. Mean is a 6 liter. You see, 6 liter of coolant, we have to put it again. And any tube you can fix like this. You see, I put with the clip. So yeah, now I refill it, and when the coolant come in this pipe, you see, I still didn't start the engine, but when the coolant, so 5 liter gone there, when this put at the 6th liter, so if the 6th liter come here in the pipe, so it will also flowing like here. So I close this one valve. This is the air valve. Okay, and now I will start the car. It's on the heater. You see, it's on the heater, and the fan is also on high, and it's on the heater because it will circulate in all engine. You see, it's coming. See, it's moving, and this will also go down. And we will wait to warm up the car. It will take about 5 minutes to 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes warm up the car. So the thermostat will open, and the all air trap will come out from here. See, and eco-friendly thing you can buy from eBay or Amazon cheaper, like maybe $20 or $30. See, and this pipe you will buy any, I think the size part, I don't know what the size, but I bought this random pipe and it fits. Yeah, difference between the new, you see the color is the new and it's the old, but they have, I also put in the oil paint, so it's also, but it was like reddish brake color or something like that, brake color. Raising RPM to 2000 or 2500, and you see bubbles, air coming out. And before the heater will be, the heater is on high, okay, so the heater will be cold, and now the heater becoming hotter and hotter, and there the air bubble is coming out from there. When you also watch the temperature, it doesn't go up, okay, from the middle. You see, I didn't get the continuous flow, but it's like this from last 10 to 15 minutes, and sometimes I put RPM to 2000 for some second, and after that I leave it, and once again I repeat it for some seconds, okay, 2000 RPM for some second. Still it's coming out, but the heater is hot, they're blowing hot now, so I think I should finish it now soon.